Hello, everybody. I am very excited for this class. I currently just got done my internship generalist placement. I can't believe the break is over. um, it was a very long 14 weeks each semester, but I learned so much. And I did my placement at my place of employment, but in a different department. I worked as a crisis worker at a local area hospital, so I would do level of care assessments for individuals who came in a various form of crisis, however crisis was defined to them, and then based on our conversation, I would make a level of care assessment. That level of care assessment could range from just regular outpatient support to potentially they might need a more intensive option like a partial hospital day program or even inpatient. If inpatient was warranted, I will type up the clinical assessment and send that to the area hospitals, behavioral hospitals, to complete bed searches. And I would do that continuously until a bed is found. I think I learned a lot about clinically from my assessment, and I gained a better perspective on knowledge and my skills clinically. What prompted me to take the medical social work class? Honestly, I knew this is an up and coming profession. With COVID, medical social workers are going to be needed more than ever. I also have an interest in working with the geriatric population, such as like a hospice or in a nursing facility. So medical social work knowledge would be a great introduction, as well as I'm looking into my specialist placement doing something with medical. So I wanted to have a foundational knowledge of it. I grew up in a family of nurses. My mom's a director of nursing, and my grandma was a nurse for over 30 years. So I have a great respect for the medical profession in general and the demands that come with it. So I'm hoping to take away from this course a better understanding of how social workers play in a medical setting, regarding how to best maximize my potential in that field. If I'm being completely honest, I think also medical social work from a financial standpoint of the social work field in general, medical social workers probably would get paid more on the higher pay scale. And I never got into the social work profession for money. However, I would like to be able to afford to move out of my parents' house and um, and be independent financially. And it seems like medical social work might be a good way to look into that. So I thank you all for taking the time to listen to my video, and I apologize for my dog's barking. Thank you and have a great day.